Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my beloved students? Hope you are all doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of NIBS Day Shift. Now going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is in comprehension, has been taken from English for today, Unit 8, Lesson 5. Unit 8, Lesson 5. My dear students, I would like to request to take your textbook and open it, Unit 8, Lesson 5. Let's read out the passage first. In this passage, the passage is all about Paul's and his family's likings and dislikings. So first of all, we will read out the passage. Hi there, I am Paul and you can see me in this picture feeding a rabbit in a park. I am going to tell you about what my family and I like and don't like doing. So Paul is going to share with us about his feelings and his likings and dislikings, as well as his family members also. My family and I love going to park at the weekends. We like having picnics. My sister and I love watching animals. My mother likes making sandwiches for us, but my father hates cooking. My sister and I love playing around in the park and feeding the animals. My mother loves watching us while we play. We can relax in a park listening to the birds singing. My beloved students, you know that park is a place, it's an open large space where there are many types of plants and trees there. That's why birds can take shelter in there, and they also take some rest, and they sing songs. That's why we can feel and we can hear some bird chirping in the park. We also like watching the little rabbits running around. We all like the park because we love being outdoors and feeling free. So going in a park or going in a church study tour or going in an excursion is one kind of outdoors game. So I suggest you, whenever you will get any time, then you can go to outdoor games. But sometimes my father gets angry with us and doesn't allow us to go near the bus. He doesn't like these children going too far out of this sight. I don't like sitting on the grass doing nothing for hours. My sister is afraid of spiders. She hates them. Sometimes when we go too far away, my mother calls us back. She tells my sister that she has seen some spiders near the bush. I'm not afraid of spiders, but I don't like flies. I just can't bear with these little insects. So our reading passage is done. Now we will have some MCQ to discuss. Now choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your script. Our first question is, which of one of the following words has a similar meaning of like? What does like mean? We know that like means to give some prefer, or to which is very favorite to you, which is preferred to you. So like means prefer. It's a synonym of like. Other words are same, chose, glossy. Though chose is very nearest, but prefer is the closest meaning. Next one is she hates them. Here hate means discourage. No, it's not the closest meaning. Dislike, avoid, angry. Yes, dislike is the synonym of hate. So you can give tick mark here. The word sight means departure, view, elimination, or scenery. Here view and scenery is very closest meaning, but the appropriate meaning should be view, sight, view. The word bear means burden, tolerate, bring, desire. Burden, bring, desire are not the meaning of bear. The tolerate is the synonym of bear. Next one is the word relax. Relax means feel less anxious, rely, leisure, release. No, relax is a word which can be appropriate to the meaning of feel less anxious. Relax is a moment where there is no pressure of work or any kinds of anxious. Next, now we have done our exercise. Now I am providing you SW. This SW number is 8 and it should be rearranged. Number 3. Number 1, A number, one of them started picking the dog's tail. Number B, both the crows went near the dog. Number C, the dog dropped the bone and looked at the crow. Once a dog was eating a bony piece of meat under a tree. Number E, the dog not only felt disturbed but also became angry. Number F, a crow saw him and wished to eat that. And G number, it flew away and after some time returned with another crow. And H number is, in the meantime, the other crow flew away with the bone. I number, this made him sad and hopeless. And the last one is, the dog ran after the crow but in vain. Now you should pick up this SW in your SW copy. My beloved students, I hope you have understood our today's discussion. Our today's discussion was a passage. The passage is all about Paul and his family's likings and dislikings. So you should go through your main textbook, and there are more than other exercises also. You can practice them and submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous also. Stay safe, stay well, and keep practicing a lot. Take preparation for your annual examination. Make effective your time during lockdown. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.